Hi guys, and welcome to DIY Hair School, and on today's video I'm going to show you a hairstyle that is perfect for those dirty hair days. We are going to start by putting our hair up into a ponytail. You can put your ponytail anywhere you like. You can do really high, you can do the middle of your head, you can do a low ponytail. It doesn't really matter, just get your hair up into a ponytail wherever you like to wear your hair in a ponytail. Now because hair is oily, we are going to be going for a sleek ponytail today. You can put a bunch of dry shampoo in and go for a fluffier base finish if you want to, but I prefer to just embrace and wear dry shampoo as little as possible, so we are going with a sleek ponytail today. Once the hair is in the ponytail, we are going to take our ponytail and we are going to separate it into two even sections. So we've got two even sections. And now we're going to twist these, and we're going to twist them in the same direction. So we're twisting both of these towards my face. I'm really bad at twisting them at the same time, so I'm going to do one, and then I'm going to do the other one. All right, so now we've got two twisted pieces of hair, and now we're gonna wrap them around each other in the opposite way that we twisted them. So we twisted them forward, so we're gonna wrap them around backwards. And this is gonna make us a cute little rope braid. And the reason this rope braid is not gonna unravel is because we twisted both sections in the same direction, and then we twisted those sections in the opposite direction that we originally twisted them. And that's going to help them cling to each other as opposed to completely unraveling the second we let go of them. And there we go. Super cute. Super easy, super fast, a little more interesting than just your everyday basic ponytail. It will stay like that all day. That guy is not coming out at all as long as you twisted everything the right way. So I hope that helps. I hope that gives you an idea of a way that you can wear your hair when it is not freshly washed, because there are so many things you can do on dirty hair days that don't have to be just a greasy bun. Thanks so much for watching today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my content, because I do post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's any content you'd like to see. And follow me on TikTok and Instagram for daily content, DIY Hair School. Bye, guys.